Hey, pipe smokers. Roger Milt here again. Another day with 2 videos. Wanted to give you an update on a couple of things. First, thanks for all the comments. I just love the comments. Love having that conversation with you and talking back and forth. It's really cool. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for putting up with my long, excited video this morning with my first box opening. Absolutely had fun doing that. Absolutely. We're going to give you an update about a couple things. First, as Jay would say, of the housekeeping. Listening to you too tonight. Housekeeping. I got this pipe. It's an estate pipe. I got it off of eBay for next to nothing. It's just an embroidered briar, no name, but I absolutely love it. Don't mind the stem. It's oxidized, needs a shitload of work, but I love the little pipe itself. It's actually not so little. Some really nice grain on it. I hope you guys can see that. Some carvings here on the bowl and on the shank. Does anybody know what type or style of bowl this is called? I know it's not an apple and it's not a billiard. It's something, because I really love it. It has a really wide, really thick bowl. Love it. But some really great. I need to really have this reconditioned and stuff. Like I said, the stem is horrible on it. The bowl is pretty good. I did manage to clean it up a little bit myself, but needs a lot of work. Anyway, but it smokes like a dream. Absolutely smokes like a dream. And in it, I am smoking from this morning the Boswell's Pennsylvania Dutch Tree. Absolutely good stuff. Love it. It's actually very similar to the Tinderbox Cherry Almond. No. But you can taste the burleys in it too, so it's really good. Maybe I'll do a review on it. You guys have probably tried it before, but maybe I'll do a review. Anyway, I want to do an update. An update on the Zippo, and then a couple new things. Drinking a Samuel Adams Winter Lager. Love these things, especially this time of year. Absolutely love it. So here we go. Here's the update. Remember the Zippo, pipe down at the bottom. My wife bought me this for New Year's Day, for the New Year. And tonight, she had it engraved for me. I'm hoping you can see that. It says, it's in Old English script. It's my favorite font type. It says Mojo Milt 2012.
Decorating it to look like yourself.
Kind of a kickoff lighter for my new membership in this community, and a kickoff lighter for 2012 in general. So you can see that again.
Everybody's making playlists these days. We want playlists for driving.
Mojo Milt 2012. My wife is very good to me.
With Spotify,
very,
it's super easy.
Very
Click
good.
New Playlist in the left column and give your playlist a name.
So that's the update. Let's use it here real quick.
Yeah, it's that simple. Each new playlist is saved to your account and is available wherever you use Spotify. Happy playlisting.
This is really good. I'm just about out of it in the bowl though. Okay, real quick. When we were at our local mall tonight, My wife bought me something else. A ring. It's a kind of Celtic cross, St. James cross ring. Sterling silver. Got it on the side there. Front, the other side. I was looking for a ring to wear on my index. My wife and I have clotter rings. We have wedding bands, but we also have clotter rings. And the loyalty, love, and friendship. That's my new ring. Pretty cool? I love it. I really do. Thank you, wife. My wife's name is Ruth Ann, by the way. Because I can just hear her now, she'll say, she has a name. So, we did the update with the Zippo. Told you about Pennsylvania Dutch treat, which is really good. Showed you my pipe, and if you know what type of bowl this is, because I like to get some more like that. It's a sitter, it sits real well. I did that. Showed you my ring. I got a basket full of aromatics now. I love it. Absolutely. I put them in here because my English are in a different section and a different box, and I didn't want to mix them together. That's about it. Thanks guys for watching. Thank you again for all your comments. I checked earlier. I uploaded my first video on December 26th and I'm already at 75 subscribers. I'm going to do something special for my first 100. I haven't figured out what yet, but I'm going to do that, and that seems like it's coming really quick. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my craziness. And thank you for all of your comments. Lots of thank yous from Mojo Milt. Love, peace, and bicycle grease, guys. Talk soon.